Hello, in this video I will show you how to add screen record button on iPhone. This is an easy tutorial video, so make sure to watch to the very end so you don't make any mistakes along the way. Without further ado, let's get started. So you want to put the screen record on your control center. First, open Settings. Then scroll down until you find Control Center. If you can't find it, just type on the search bar, Control Center. Now, once you're in the control center, scroll down until you find the screen recorder. Once you do, just tap on the green plus icon, and it will change from this list to the one above. Now when you open up the control center, it will now be there, ready to use. And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and thank you for watching.